Hey guys, Cover the Blues here. So, YouTube friend Christian, I'm sorry, I got my mind, I can't remember anything these days. Christian Bacello and his wife's father Izzy passed away. Esquenazi, Izzy Esquenazi, Cuban heritage, and he really made an impact on everybody's lives. You know, there so many touching words. You know, he passed a week or so ago, and you know, it's winter time. You know, it's always a tough time of the year to lose a loved one, and you know, my heart goes out, you know, to the family, and well, you know, like in-laws. You know, it's like everybody rags on the in-laws, but he had so much love, you know, from his family, and Christian had so many great words to say to him. He sounded like a real fun guy, music, and a great sense of humor. So he asked if we could do a Cuban sandwich. I don't have a press, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do my way of a Cuban sandwich, and it won't be a press sandwich like they do down in Miami, down in Cuba, but it'll be good. So again, like just a little bit of garlic butter, get our sandwich going, put some flavor off into it. So I'm going to do mine kind of like an open face. And so instead of ham, I have some nice. Well, I'm gonna do the Swiss cheese first. You know, I always got to do it my way. I mean, that's
your way.
And I have prosciutto, nice thin sliced prosciutto. Then a little bit of Dijon. Love ham and prosciutto and mustard, and okay. Then I tell you, the hard-boiled egg, it gets me. I was telling B, and what do you got to do to get so an egg will peel? And then me and Justin were telling me, well, you got to put pickles. You put a couple slices of pickles in the water and some vinegar, and so what I did is I roasted up a piece of pork loin. Put some nice, a nice slice of pork loin on there. Okay. And just a little more Swiss. Okay. Into the oven she's going. All right, we'll put that in there. Let that cheese melt up real nice. We'll be right back. All right, Izzy, this is for Izzy. Cuban sandwich for Izzy. Let's check it out. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. Looky. Woo. It's hot as heck.
Oh, I'm sure.
But, I call this maybe a, I mean, you can put them together as a sandwich, but We might just have to call this an Izzy bruschetta, Cuban bruschetta. Who wants to try this? Cuban sandwich. Come on, B. Justin.
You caught me while I was still chewing the last one.
Mid-chew. Come on, Justin. Wow. Come here, B. Right? Wow.
That's really good. I love Cubans too.
We've been doing a couple videos today. We almost left it in the oven. I said, oh my God. But just the flavor of the mustard, the prosciutto added a lot to it. You use regular nice shaped ham.
Yeah.
The egg, the roast pork on top, the Swiss cheese. Really, really nice. It's
Really good. And you used prosciutto, right? Alright, let's go. I've never had it with prosciutto. I like that a lot.
Christian and Christian's wife. I'm sorry, I didn't write it down when I was, but I'll put it in the notes on the video. Hearts out. I know Izzy. It's a beautiful sandwich here for a beautiful human being, Izzy. What's more in life than to be remembered fondly and to do what we're here on earth to do is to, raise a beautiful family, and our family loves us. And at the end of the day, it's nothing. It's not anything to do with materialism or what you have or what the material possessions. It's I think it's what your family thinks of you and the relationships you've built over the years, friends and family. There's nothing more important. So, here it is. I gotta get his name. I'm sorry. Izzy Esquenazi. God bless. Rest in peace. Peace.